Hi everyone, welcome to our newest listing at 92 Gary, located in the McMaster neighborhood.
Right here, you'll find the living room, the kitchen, bedroom, washroom. Over here, you go to another storage room with a separate entrance. Downstairs, you'll find an area that you could use as a rec room or another bedroom. You'll find the second full washroom, the utility room. Outside, you're going to find a garage, which is a very interesting garage. It actually is finished with carpet, heat, and lights, which somebody could use for another rec room or bedroom, accessory dwelling unit. Not sure. Guys, if you're looking for a great place, 92 Gary Avenue, call Alex at
905-320-5525 or call Mark at
905-512-1846.